In this video, I will show you guys how I get this look, this beach ready vibe type of look with the new Killawatt highlighter. Hey everyone, my name is Moni, and in today's video we are doing a get ready with me to the beach. We are doing a beach inspired look from the Rihanna new collection, the Beach Please collection, featuring this Killawatt Foil, which is Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. This look is for those who are getting ready to go on vacation, get ready to go on the beach. So take this highlighter with you. So if you want to get this look that I have right now, inspired by the Beach Please collection, ready to go to the beach, just keep watching. So I don't have the Fenty primer, and what I usually use is a Too Faced Hangover facial primer. So since we getting ready for the beach, this is the sunscreen that I use. It's called Neogen Dermatology. So this is what I use when I get ready to go to the beach, and this is basically a sunscreen and also a moisturizer. I don't need too much, just a little bit, just all over the face. And then you're supposed to let this sit for like about 15 minutes. So if you're worried about if this leaves a white cast, it does not leave a white cast. It is great for dry skin. It leaves my skin moisturized, and it also has like a little tackiness if you want to use it for a primer. My brows is already done because Fenty doesn't have brows yet, so waiting on that. And I'm gonna get into the foundation. So I'm using the Fenty foundation in the color 400. I'm also using my own brush from Sephora. And Fenty does have a foundation brush, but I have, you know, plenty of brushes. So, but for now, I'm just going to use this Sephora brush to apply my foundation. So I'm not using any concealer to spot correct or anything like that. Fenty is a pretty good foundation where it covers up, you know, your scars and stuff. It is a buildable foundation, so you could build as you go to what you need. This foundation does dry fast, so you want to just work in areas of your face. So the foundation does go on like kind of orangey, but after a while it does dry up and the orange goes away. So this coverage is buildable to full coverage, but for right now I'm just going to like medium coverage. I don't want too much, you know, foundation on. Now I'm gonna be using Fenty's concealer, and this is in the color Latte, and it looks like this. I use Latte as my highlight color. Yeah, and we're going full face for the beach. Full face Fenty. Okay, so you want to put like a little right here, a little right here. Alright, so that is the concealer. I love the concealers because you don't have to set them or put powder to the concealers. I don't like using powder that much. Like you will notice in my videos that I really don't go for powder. Sometimes I do, but most of the time like I don't. So now I'm taking Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in the color Truffle for my contour. You can go as deep as Espresso. They are kind of wide, as you can see, so to make like a contour with like a nice cut line, it may be a little bit difficult with these if you want like a precise contour line. What they say to do with these is to take a brush and then brush it on top and then apply it to your face. So I have my own contour brush, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply one side like with the matchstick and then the other side with the brush, and then you can, you know, tell for yourself which one you like better. I'm gonna swatch this on my hand. So this is in the color Truffle. I can go to espresso, but since I want like a nice beachy natural look, I want to try out this color because I already tried out espresso. I'm gonna swatch Latte for you so you can see, you know, what it looks like. Okay, and this is Latte. Like, I have tried so many different colors to see which one would be like a good highlighter for me, and I think this one is like the nicest one that I've seen. It has like a nice undertone to it. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush a little bit of the contour in and just have it going up like that. And then we're gonna take the stick and just bring that contour down. Yeah, you kind of can't see it, so I probably do need espresso for my contour, but for a nice natural contour, let's see how this will work for me. I don't want nothing too deep like chisel or nothing like that. Just going to the beach for some nice fun. Oops, I forgot that side was supposed to be the brush side. I got a little carried away. You get a little carried away with these matchsticks because they like so much fun. Blend it out with my beauty blender. Please excuse my beauty blender. And I forgot to put a little bit on the nose. So I'm just do a little lightly on the nose and just blend out this concealer. I don't have the powder to the Fenty. It's up to you if you want powder. I am gonna try the powder out, but I don't like to use powder. And with this foundation, you kind of don't need powder because it dries matte and it doesn't really transfer like that. It doesn't crease. It's a very nice foundation, so you really kind of don't need the powder. Alright, I'm just gonna blend that other side out with a brush. So my face is looking so cute right now. Alright, so we're gonna get into what you all been waiting for, and that is this Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil in the color Sangria Sunset and Mimosa Sunrise. I haven't played with this yet. I've even like got one of my friends to like get one of these because it's just super pretty. Like, who can resist these colors? Like, Rihanna did not disappoint. She did not disappoint with this collection. Here it is. Here how it looks. Oh my god, it just looks super pretty. Really, really, really pretty. This is Mimosa Sunrise and this is Sangria Sunset, and we're about to play with both of these today. Also got the Fenty Beauty brush. This is for the highlighter, the shark tooth brush, and I went to several stores trying to find this brush. It was a little difficult trying to find it. Let's see. Comes with this like little plastic. This color is like so pretty. It's like a blush pink and you have to pull it down. Like, I was pulling it up, so now it's like stuck. Okay, there you go. And we are going to do an eye look with this beautiful palette, and also seeing Rihanna's makeup artist on the Fenty Beauty team, how they just use this shark toothbrush to do the eye look because it's supposed to fit perfectly in the eye socket. So we are going to do that today, and we are going to get a little bit crazy with this highlighter. So I don't have any look planned. I'm just gonna like get into it. Beach ready summer vibe. Okay, wow, it's super pigmented. I didn't even like put too much and it's super pigmented. Alright, so we are not going to be afraid right now because Riri wouldn't want us to be afraid and wouldn't want us to hold back. Watch this bad boy. Like that. Oh my god. Let's see. And then we're going to bring it around and up. Wow. That is pretty nice. Intense too. Alright, so we're going to do that to the other side. We're just going to swatch it. And we're just going to bring this around and up. We don't want to be boring with this highlighter. Like, Rihanna didn't make this highlighter for us to be boring, y'all. So you got to do something nice. I so wish I was able to bring this video to you guys a little bit sooner. But since I was in the process of moving, everything had to wait, you know, and be delayed a little bit. So I'm just starting off with this light color first. Alright, so I'll just bring the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just putting this highlighter. Whew. Oh my god, something's in my eye. On the lid. Alright, then we're going to put a little bit in the crease. I mean, in the corner of the eye. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. I don't have her primer that just came out. So this would maybe probably look a little bit better with a primer. Just put a little bit in the corner. We're just gonna take this and just put it on our cheeks and put it up. Who's been dying to do this with this highlighter? Like, I've been dying to just, ooh, this is how you should do a highlighter. This is what you want to do with a highlighter. Like, go crazy. I'm gonna bring this look together and we're gonna swatch this pink one right here. And we're just gonna bring it over the eye. Taking MAC, the coconut one, and I put a little bit on my finger and then I'm tapping the Mimosa Sunrise just to get a little bit more intensity right there on my eyes. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit more. And just tapping in it. Just to get that intensity going on. Yeah, need more orange. There we go. Ooh, doesn't that look so pretty? There we go. Just take the brush and just blend a little bit. Do the same for the other eye. Need more spray. Sometimes you gotta get a little messy with your products so you could, you know, have some fun with it. Okay, this is a nice look for the beach. I am beach ready. Put a little bit in the corner of the eye. Don't worry about anything that falls down there. You already know we can clean that up. Just basically using this as like a blush and a highlight. So just like put it on my temples and bringing it up. Temples, little cheeks, and just bring it up like that. So we are basically not done with this highlighter yet. So I do not have with me the lipsticks that I only have with me right now is Madamn. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Madamn on. Again, this is full face Fenty. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the Madamn on. And what we're gonna do is, I know you're like, what is she doing? Like, she is messing up the look. I am taking Griselda. So let me know if you like this lipstick with this look. I am switching this out. I'm going to show you guys something else. So another trick that I have, you could use any clear gloss. Right now I'm using McGrath's, and put it on your lips. And then now I am taking Sangria Sunset. I'm going to take a little bit of this and just place it on the lips. And then I'm making me a nice lip gloss. So now I have a nice, I like it intense. So put a little bit more. Oh my god, just pat McGrath. It's like beautiful. See? Have a nice gloss to go with this eye look. Now if you want to go a little bit further, just tap some of this Mimosa on there and just put it on the Cupid's bow, like so. Oh my god, like, isn't that so pretty? Look, I hope you liked the video. I just added some lashes to the look, and this is the final look. You know, let me know if you like it. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. See you in the next video. Hey everyone, my name is Moni, and in today's video we are doing a get ready to the beach with me, featuring Rihanna's to stay tuned on this look. So if you want to find out, if you want to feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself, feeling myself. Kiki, do you love me? Or you for me? Do you wanna leave? Where you riding? Beside me? On me?